Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. From the pre-weekend low to yesterday's high, the NASDAQ rallied around 7.5% and is trading a little firmer ahead of the U.S. Open. At the same time, a chorus of Fed officials have underscored Chair Powell's message that while a March rate hike is in the cards, there is no forward guidance. Many Asian centers remain on holiday, but Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and India all advance. Europe's Stoxx 600, with a 4-week loss in tow, is up about 1% near midday in Europe. The dollar is trading off, extended yesterday's move. The major foreign currencies are up 0.25% to 0.50%, lent by the Swiss franc with the euro as a laggard. Gold is testing the 200-day moving average near $1,806. Its low from the end of last week was around $1,780. WTI is stalling ahead of last week's high $88.75. A break of 8.5 could signal a correction. Asian Pacific market. The Reserve Bank of Australia will end its $4 BLN a week bond purchases, but Governor Lowe did not moderate his rhetoric as expected to allow for a sooner rate increase. The Australian dollar initially fell to about $0.7035 on the RBA stance, but quickly regained its composure and made new session highs around $0.7090 in late Asian dealings. It is approaching resistance in the $0.7100 to $0.7120 area. After a series of disappointed reports at the end of last week, including December industrial production and retail sales, Japan's data surprised on the upside today. The dollar is a 3-day low against the Japanese yen near JPY 114.70. It has nearly retraced half of last week's recovery that lifted it from around 113.50 to 115.70. Market of Europe. The Eurozone flash manufacturing PMI of 59.0 was trimmed to 58.7 after 58.0 in December. A downward revision to Germany's reading and a disappointing Italian report were responsible. The UK reported stronger January house prices and more mortgage approvals and stronger consumer credit growth in December. The euro is firm near $1,265. Sterling's is pushing above $1.35 and is approaching its retracement objective slightly above $1,3505. Market of America. Outside of the JOLT report on job openings and December construction spending, today's U.S. data is primarily from the private sector. Canada reports November GDP and the market manufacturing PMI. The employment data at the end of the week is more important for the markets, but a Bank of Canada rate hike next month is baked in the cake. The U.S. dollar is correcting lower against the Canadian dollar, rallying 1.5% last week. It met the 38.2% retracement objective near CAD 1,2665 today, and the next 50% is near 1,2625. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.